In this tutorial, we'll demonstrate how to edit port information in Xdraw. Start by logging in and navigating to your Designs BOM page. Select the product whose port information you wish to edit, then click Copy to My Library. The product will be copied to your library, and an edit option will appear. Click on the Edit button. An Update Product Details dialog box will appear. To update product port details, mark IO information as Yes and click Next. This will open the Update Port Details dialog box, displaying various port details. You can add new ports by clicking Add Port. The new port appears at the bottom, so you can fill in the necessary details. To edit port information, select the relevant port. You can modify the port name, total ports, port type, signal type, and connector name. For example, let's increase the total number of ports in mic IP from 1 to 2. Remember to hit the Redraw Device button for the changes to take effect, as it will rebuild the device block with your new port information. Save your settings by clicking Save. To view the changes, open your Xdraw editor. You'll notice that the device block has been redrawn, and the mic IP port now has 2 connectors, reflecting the changes you made. Thank you for watching. For more tutorials, visit x1080.com.